Hey friends, let's unbox a huge variety of some animal toys. We have lots of animal collection, some dinosaurs, some wild zoo safari animals, some sea animal toys, and some farm animals. So let's learn the names of these animals and dinosaurs together. Firstly, let's unbox some zoo safari animal toy collection. Let's unbox and learn their names. So the first animal is a horse. A beautiful horse. An elephant. This is an elephant. A lion. A powerful and fearless lion. A red fox. A clever red fox. Wow, we have a jaguar. A jaguar has spots on its body. A jaguar. A zebra, a black and white striped zebra. A chimpanzee. A chimpanzee. A tiger. A black striped tiger. A grey wolf. A grey wolf. Kangaroo. A kangaroo. Now let's unbox some farm animal toys. Let's open and learn their names. A rooster. A rooster. A young horse. A horse. A rabbit. A white rabbit. A goat. A beautiful goat. This is a camel. A camel. A dog. A dog. Next one is a sheep. A white sheep. Here comes a donkey. It's a donkey. A black and white combination cow. A beautiful cow. Now let's unbox some colorful dinosaur toy collection and learn their name. First dinosaur is a Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus, a Triceratops. This dinosaur is called a Triceratops. A Stegosaurus, a Stegosaurus, Ankylosaurus. This dinosaur is called an Ankylosaurus. Wow, we have a Brachiosaurus, a long-necked dinosaur, a Brachiosaurus. A Tyrannosaurus Rex, a T-Rex, a T-Rex. A Spinosaurus, a Spinosaurus. A flying dinosaur, a Pterodon, a Pterodon. Now let's unbox the last playset, which are the sea animals. So let's unbox them and learn their names. We have a dolphin. This is a dolphin. Dolphin. A squid. This animal is a squid. A crab. A giant-sized crab. A starfish. This is a starfish. An octopus. An octopus. A walrus. A walrus. A humpback whale. This is a humpback whale. A shark. A shark. A whale shark. A whale shark. An eel. Eel. A sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. And lastly, we have a stingray. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.